Okay, we have a Mori Seiki vertical machining center, model DURAVERTICAL 5080, serial number DV005HG161. Machine was new in 2008. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Mori MSX 504 Roman numeral 3 control, which has a FANUC back. Right now it's running at 3,500 RPM. It goes up to 10,000. It has a Cat 40 spindle. 6,000 RPM, very quiet. 7,500 RPM. The machine has 31.5 inches of X travel, 20.9 of Y, and 20.1 of Z. You have a 20 horsepower, 10,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40. 23 by 43 T-slotted table. That's your Z-axis right there, nice and quiet. Your Y. Telescopic way covers all axes. And your X. Machine also has a chip conveyor and again has a 30 ATC, automatic tool changer. Side mount. Machine also has tool touch off. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.